Let's continue with options for sit-ups. So you want to get the abdominal muscles stronger. So last time we were working on side planks. This time we're going to go in front planks, where I want to show you how is the progression. Okay, when I love planks for everybody. You know, someone asked me what I should do for my core. I said planks. Why? Because it's functional. You know, when we get up from the floor, when we do this movement, what are we using? These muscles, and we're doing kind of planks. Okay. So give me 2 clicks. So let's start with beginner plank. So when you do the beginner plank, elbow and shoulder, they are in the same alignment. And then what you do, you're going to start bringing your bottom up, and you hold it like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And remember, 30 seconds and maximum 2 minutes. Yes, 2 minutes. Then if you want more challenge, you're going to go like this. This is for more, a little bit more advanced. Elbow aligned with the shoulder, and you hold it there 30 seconds. Okay. Another way to do it, you know, this is the one that I teach my patients most of the time, and is this. This is also considered a plank. So what you do, you are aligned, hands aligned with the shoulder, and you just are going to, you see, put the toes down, flex or bend your ankles, and what you're going to do, you're going to bring the knees up, transfer the weight toward the front, and hold it. This is a great exercise to start planks. Another option, 30 seconds, you hold it. It's very important when you do planks, thinking you're breathing. So when you inhale, the muscles are relaxed. When you exhale, muscles contract. Inhale, exhale. So pay attention to the breathing too. Again, another level of plank. So what you're going to do in this position, you're going to try to bring one leg up. And if you want the challenge, you bring the arm up. And then the opposite way. All those movements are amazing because not just work the core, work the whole body, may bring stability in your shoulders. So it's bringing a strong foundation for you to prevent injuries in your shoulders, in your back, in your hips. So it's amazing. So more advanced. And more advanced, hands and knees, hands and feet. Lulu, what are you doing there? Where's the ball? Get the ball, Lulu. And you hold it, inhale, exhale. Get the ball, Lulu. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. And if you want more challenge, you bring the leg up and down. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Just challenge yourself. And if you want, you bring them up. Or the other arm up. But if you want, how about the leg up and the opposite arm up? How about the opposite way? Where's it at? Okay, so that's a good progression of planks. Do planks every day. And I would say, just go as far as you can feel the muscles getting, the contraction is strong. Okay. I just was waiting for the airplane to pass by. So do planks every day. I would say 30 seconds, and every day increase the amount of time. When you are more advanced, you can move to more challenging things. You know, like this, like this. Okay, anyway, start your planks, and those are the best options for sit-ups. Okay, in my other video, I'm going to show you another option for sit-ups. Okay, because you want to have a safe and you want to prevent injuries, you want to have a strong body, and you want also, you have a busy life, right? So you want to work out many muscles at once, not just the core. How about this muscle? How about this muscle? So with the planks, you're working out many muscles. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this video, and start your planks and get strong core and a healthy body, and see you again with more options for sit-ups. Bye bye. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I love you all. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.